This is my sister name is Shruti. She wakes up early in the morning. She brush her teeth. She went to ground. She comes home. She brush her teeth. She takes bath. She applied soap. She went to body. She reads newspaper. She writes sentences. She writes topic. She go to ground to her friends. She rides cycle. She go to class at 8 o'clock. She comes to home at 9 o'clock. She eats family, her father and mother, and she sleeps at 10 o'clock.
Okay, good.